In this video, I will show you how you can test the speakers of your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just open the dialer app, and from here just dial this *#0*#. Now after you do that, then you will open the diagnostic section of your Samsung phone. Now over here you will find the speakers option. Now both the Galaxy A37 and the A57 has a stereo speaker setup. So if I tap on the speaker option once, it will play music from both speakers at the same time. But if I tap on it one more time, it will only play music from the bottom firing speaker, and for the third time, it will only play music from the top speaker. As you can see, it is playing music from both speakers, and if I tap on it one more time, it will only play music from the bottom speaker. And for the third time, it will play music from the top speaker. And this is how you can test the speakers of your Galaxy A37 or the A57. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.